All right. Today is what? Today is Wednesday.
Yeah, today is Wednesday.
It is February 2nd, 2011. And we have had, right now they've said, the 5th biggest snowstorm in the history of Chicago. But it looks pretty big. Here, this is looking out our front window. There's William. Our bushes are underneath this big snow mound. There's you can see where the edge of the house is, and then the drift.
And the snow is so big because the snow is very hard. And yesterday it was raining. It snowed too hard.
There was thunder and lightning last night, which I've never seen with a snowstorm. You usually only get that with rain.
Yeah.
And it was thunder and lightning, and there's John's house across the street. See the snow up to his bushes.
Yeah, because usually, according to this thing,
see Judy plowing her driveway. Sure.
And then, usually, we had on this thing on the computer, at my school, thinking it said, thunder and lightning was thunder is caused by the rushing of the air moving fast, but because of the lightning. But I do not know how this happened with snow. Mario.
Yep, there's the front. Let's go over here, because this is pretty cool. Here's the driveway. There's the car. Car's not too bad, but the drifts. See the wind blowing. It was 60-mile-an-hour winds last night. And look at that front. There's our front porch right there. No drift. It's taller than the children. Okay, you guys would get lost in there.
Hey, Mario!
Yeah, just a little bit. There it is. Look at that.
It sort of reminds me of Mario because on this level, on the snow level, there is first level on the snow level, there is a lot of snow. And I'm telling you.
So I got to go out there and I got to plow all that snow, hopefully with a snow blower. Can get the driveway clear because it's not going to go away by itself until the spring
or more
or
summer.
There's more snow, lots and lots of snow. So, and there's Sarah. Sarah, you'd get lost in there, wouldn't you?
And I would too.
You would too.
And Mario would too. And Luigi would too. Everybody would, even my toy strawberry shortcake.
Even your strawberry shortcake, yes. That is for sure. All right. So it's a snow day. The kids have no school. Big surprise. Mom's got no work. We're documenting, honey.
Yeah.
And let's look at the backyard. And there's...
Whoa! Cool! We can go sledding!
That big branch just fell down there.
We can go sledding, Dad!
Yeah, who's going to pull you?
You will.
Yeah, sure. Hey, look at that. Look at the shed. Look how it's kind of... There's like no snow kind of in front of it. Oh, weird.
Who are you talking to?
You...
There's
Look at
no snow ever. It's like